cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you some lovely recipe and ideas of things that you can do at home. This one I'm going to show you how you can be frozen, get some ripe banana and freeze it and use it for smoothie at home. Lovely and nice. I'm just going to give you a tips and idea how to do it. Alright, enjoy. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and also Google me and give me a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Leave your comments below, very important for the team. Alright, enjoy it and stay tuned. So basically I have some banana right here, but the best banana is supposed to be double ripe banana, but I have some one right here which I'm going to be showing you. But this is what I use normally. You can put it in a zip bag and put it in a freezer. Remove the skin from the banana and just break it up like this. Alright, so basically this is what I'm doing at the moment, as you can see. Alright, so I'm gonna do 2 fingers of banana and I'm gonna be freezing them in my freezer. I don't have a cover for this one. So basically what you can do, chop a piece of food like this. And put it in the freezer and use it whatever you want to use it. Alright, so just some tips and ideas that I share with the fans and to tell them what you can do at home with banana. Alright, but when you're gonna get banana, get the double ripe one. Don't get this one on the green. The ripe banana is the best to make smoothie. So give it a try and come back and leave your result and tell Chef Ricardo. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.